You're welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to screen record using your smartphone. Most of the time, people will come to my DM and they'll be asking, Raphael, how do you make this video that with your smartphone that it looks so professional? I'm going to be showing you the secret I use in presenting. It's my smartphone, but you will be thinking it's laptop. No, it's not laptop. So whatever laptop can do, smartphone can do it now. So I'm going to be showing you the two apps I make use of to do my screen record. So without wasting much time, let's go to our Google Play Store. You go to our Google Play Store. The first app I make use of is the S Recorder. S Recorder. See it here. You see the name X. Then this is the name. This is the name of S Recorder. So that is it. So I've already installed mine already. So in fact, this is the S Recorder I'm using to record this video. So it's already installed. So the second app you are going to be using is called the AZ Recorder. AZ Recorder. That is the name. AZ Recorder. See, screen AZ Screen Recorder. This is the name. See it here. That's the name. The AZ Recorder. So you will so now I will go to my home screen. You can see this is the S recorder and this is the AZ recorder. So right now I'm making use of the S recorder, so I can't use it to show you how to screen record anymore. So then if you click into the AZ recorder, then I will show you how to make use of it. The AZ recorder, the AZ recorder has the same function the um, with the S recorder. So when you want to create, when you want to no, I can't record now because um, I'm making use of this is the setting. So let me just see. This is for the brush. If you want, you're seeing the brush. This is the brush showing. See, this is the brush of the AZ recorder showing, and this is the icon for the video for the AZ recorder. This is for the S recorder. So let me just see. I want to start record. I want to start recording with the S recorder now. I will go to the point I want my video to start from. Then I will click on this icon. This one is for the start your video editing, the first icon here. The second icon is the home. The third one is the settings. The setting here is for the brush and for the screenshot. If you want to screenshot something, the second one is for the camera. If you want to bring yourself, you want to show yourself in the process of recording, you click on this camera, then the brush. So this is it. Let me click on the brush again so that you see it. So this is, you're seeing the brush. See the brush icon here. See it showing here. This is it. So that is the brush icon. So I cannot show you how to record because when I pause this thing and I want to show you how to record, it's going to distort this my S recording and you no longer hear me. So if you want to record, you will click on this first icon to become play. That is how you record. So thank you for watching, and I hope you are getting value from this video editing mastery course you have enrolled. I will see you in the next module, and thank you for watching. The next module I'm going to be showing you how to record a webinar. Yes, a webinar, how to present with your screen. So I'm going to go detail on how to use the S recorder and the AZ recorder. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on the other module.